I was riding down the road testing my bike because I have a problem with when I'd be hitting my starter, the power would quit on it. So we kept thinking it was the battery going dead on it. And after a while I rode again and I was stuck way out somewhere. So the power did it again. And I was like, well, it's a long walk home. I don't know what I'm going to do. So I kicked my kickstand up and down a few times and realized the kill switch on the Kickstarter was malfunctioning, because when I kicked it up and down, the power came back on. So all I did is I unhooked the two wires that led to the kill switch on the kickstand and just pushed the two wires together, and it started right up, and it's been running good ever since. But as I was riding down the road, I noticed this and had to pull back and turn back around. Is this big pink elephant with dark glasses, and pink elephant's known for drinking, so it's at a beverage place. So evidently the kill switch for the kickstand, it's good for somebody that forgets their kickstand all the time, and I don't, so I don't really need it. So I unhooked it, and I'm going to leave it unhooked. If somebody ever gets this bike after me, then they can hook it back up. Well, that's my little story of what's going on with this bike. Maybe it'll help somebody else out if they having power problems of the power just shutting off. If I see anything else different going down the road, I'll stop and take a little video of that. I don't know what this is about, but I said I would add something if I seen anything that was interesting. It's here at an intersection. There's the lights. I don't know if any of you've ever heard of White Castle hamburgers, but they're little tiny hamburgers. But here's a unique one. Looks just like a White Castle hamburger place, but it's real tiny, and it's called Snow Castle. That's pretty kind of funny. Thought I'd add that in the video. And something else, this thing quit on me again, even though I got that switch unhooked. I had to hop up and down on the bike to get it to get the power to come back on. I don't know what the heck's going on. It's got to have a wire shorting out somewhere. Well, that's all I can think about was that switch. It makes me a little bit worried about keeping on riding this thing. I don't want to be stuck out somewhere. maybe I can hurry up and trade it off before before it get somebody else stuck with it.